Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to clear Among Us cache. So let's get started. First, launch Open Settings on your mobile device. Scroll down until you find Apps option. Tap on it. Then select Manage Apps option. Scroll down until you find Among Us option. Then tap on it. At the bottom of your screen, you'll be able to find Clear Data option. Tap on it. And then select Clear Cache option. If you are sure, tap on the OK button. And this is how you can clear Among Us cache. Thanks for watching Gaming Explained. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.